Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Friday. So today is May 17th of 2019, and here are the morning announcements for today. We have a special treat today. We have graduates coming to Perry Elementary that are graduating from Belvedere North High School today at 11 a.m. They'll be coming through the cafeteria area and maybe upstairs if the timing is right. It's going to be hard to say when they're exactly going to be here from the rehearsal, but right around 11 o'clock is the time frame that Mr. Ekman, who's the principal there, said that they would be here at Perry. So if anything, we will have them go through the cafeteria area, and maybe you'll see some people that you know that are graduating from Belvedere North. Also, boys and girls, if you have your library books with you, make sure that you turn them in today. Today is the day that you have to turn in all library books. If you forgot any at home, make sure you get them in early next week on Monday. And teachers, if you haven't signed up for the Google Expedition, make sure you do so today because we will start doing that next week. There are some slots still available if you wanted to sign up. So we do have the Google Expedition happening in 3 days next week, May 20th, 21st, and 22nd. For our lunch choices for today, we have pulled pork, pepperoni pizza, or chicken Caesar salad with Cheez-Its. And also for our birthdays today, we have 3 birthdays to announce. So happy birthday to Cole Gittleson, Brianna Gray, and Eric Rosas. Hope you have a wonderful day today and you get the weekend to celebrate it. And today we have our kindergarten students here to talk a little bit about things that you should not do to make sure you earn your paws.
All right, today for our pause, we have some kindergarten students here to talk about things that you should not be doing.
Listen to the news. Don't follow food. Don't go washing off. Don't kick people in the face.
Okay, those are good suggestions. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Okay, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. And everyone have a great day today. Make sure you make some wonderful choices. Make sure you show that Perry pride throughout the day. Remember, the choices are yours. You have to own them. So let's make sure we make some good ones.